northwestern Ross County in south-central Ohio until 10:15 p.m. At 9:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sabina, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Deer Creek Lake, Clarksburg, Staunton, State Route 207 at U.S. Route 22, Williamsport, New Holland, Washington Courthouse, Bloomingburg, Jasper Mills, Pantosburg, Sabina, and Plano. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.